Midnight snack.
Wow.
It's a madhouse in there.
What? Aren't you glad you're not in there? There's one of those crabs.
If I was the biggest guy in there, I'd probably have it. I'd probably be having a feast right about now.
Now that guy's upside down. He better get right side down.
Or he's skinner.
Oh, fireworks were pretty on the beach, weren't they?
What? Yeah. And the neighbor's fireworks were right over us. The neighbors.
Did you see any police?
The neighbors. Nope. We didn't hear a single siren, even though the neighbor was setting off Roman candles.
There was a policeman in a couple of car at the house across the street.
Oh, really?
Didn't find it. Man, that's wrong.
Yeah.
You gotta take a picture. Is that timed or
Is that
something?
a movie you're taking?
Yep.
Turn on a timer and put it in there.